Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show my Microsoft Teams clone. I have made a web app using React.js and this app uses Jitsi Meet API, which is an open source API. I have deployed this app on GitHub pages so that anyone can join the Meet from anywhere. This is my home page of my Microsoft Teams clone. It contains the navbar, the main content and the footer. Now, why React.js? The navbar is made using React.js routers, and by using that, the pages don't need to reload every time we switch between components in the navbar. It has an about page which briefly describes the feature of the app, and a doc page for anyone who wants to contribute open source to this app. This app also uses agile methodology as it follows don't repeat yourself principle. Now moving on to the main content contains three text fields. The first one is the room name, the second one is the name of the user, and the third one is the password field. The password field is an optional field. So to start a meeting, the host of the meeting needs to create a room and share the room name with their friends. And now if the host also wants to select a password so that only selected people can join the meeting, he can do so. And now only the people with having password can join the meeting. So now let's see how starting a call works. After clicking on the start button, it confirms the username. It also confirms the audio and video configuration. And after confirming all these things, the user has to click the join meeting button. After joining, the app automatically starts recording the time the user has spent in the meeting. It also allows multiple people to join the meeting and video chat. Moving on to the features that it offers, the MsTeamsClone app contains many useful features. Apart from the basic features like video on off, audio on off, sharing the screen, raising hand and chat option, it contains advanced features like selecting a virtual background, start recording the meeting. Also, users can send the invite link through the email. And finally, moving on to the end call, after one person ends the meeting or leaves the meeting, he is automatically removed from other people's screen as well. Moving on to the learning I have done while making this app. So I have learned quite a lot of things while implementing this app, like how to implement open source API into my own apps and how to merge all the features of the API together to solve real world problems. I've also learned the agile methodology while making this app. I also explored Azure communication service. I've learned to deploy the web app to GitHub pages and much more. Finally, to the credits, at last I want to thank my mentor Mr. Shivam Sharma and Ms. Jana Bano of the Microsoft Engage program for helping me to make this app and for all their learning sessions they took. It would not have been made possible without these guys. And I also want to thank Microsoft for their mentorship programs. Thank you.